Hey, let's start this one from a little insight most people miss. Sometimes the sound you tolerate becomes the reason you stop enjoying what you watch. Yamaha SR-C20A. This is for you if you're someone who hates unnecessary distractions. You want entertainment that absorbs you, not audio that competes for your attention. If your TV speakers feel thin, unclear, or just uninvolved, you've already felt that quiet pull of dissatisfaction. That's the moment you know something better isn't a luxury, it's overdue. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. Compact, capable systems like this don't always stay easy to find once people start upgrading. You probably arrived here after a moment that seemed small at first, but stuck with you. Maybe your favorite show lost impact. Maybe dialogue got swallowed during busy scenes. Or maybe you found yourself turning up the volume more than feels comfortable. These tiny frustrations add up until you realize your setup isn't working for you, it's holding you back. The first time you sit down with this, the difference isn't overwhelming, it's right. Sound fills the room evenly. Voices have presence instead of floating forward awkwardly. Deep tones don't blast, they thicken appropriately. You stop adjusting volume mid-scene and just stay immersed. Picture how this changes real moments. Quiet evenings where dialogue stays clear without distraction. Saturday morning cartoons where the music actually feels alive. Movie nights where effects have a sense of space instead of being glued to the front of the TV. Even work-from-home Zoom calls feel more natural when voices sound grounded. The performance doesn't try to impress with volume. It impresses by meaning it. Once you live with sound that's balanced and composed, simple setups suddenly feel sloppy. If you're already thinking about this, don't wait for price swings or stock gaps to make the decision harder. You might hesitate because it's compact. That hesitation fades fast. The strength here isn't size, it's refinement. You don't need a whole ecosystem to feel pulled in. You just need something that understands purpose. The unexpected benefit? A calmer routine. You stop chasing clarity. You stop managing settings. You just press play and be in the moment. Owning this feels like embracing ease. Not dramatic. Not overdone. Just correct. Sound feels balanced and grounded. Dialogue stays clear and focused. Bass feels tight, not overwhelming. Every scene feels more natural. Your room feels less frustrating. Not built for massive rooms, not meant for thunderous space. At some point, you stop comparing options and choose the experience that fits how you live. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay, only to realize later you were ready all along. Check availability, trust your instincts, and let your room finally sound the way it's meant to.